What's up? What y'all had said? Y'all want what? They said they want what now? A plow. Welcome back. It's your girl, Yana. And we're here to make the best of the best dishes here. Special order is pick it up. Okay? It's like the most gourmet, expensive, sunny side up, okay? Don't play with it. It's sunny side up, alright? So, today, hey guys, we have a very special order. We got a special order, okay? Special order. And it comes from the villagers, okay? It comes from the villagers. What's up? What y'all had said? Y'all want what? They said they want what now? They said they want who? They said they want a plow. They said they want a plow. Wait! Holly, what they trying to eat out though? Real quick, tell me. They said what? Okay, well tell them it gonna cost them. Okay? Tell them it's gonna cost them. Okay? What they say they want? Olive Garden. Yo, they want me to make Olive Garden. Well, shit. What they want, their breadsticks? I got them going. I got them breadsticks going now. What? They want me to make some ratatouille? Oh, okay, girl. And they want a side salad? Okay, girl. All right, I got you. I got you. What's that for? How big is these people? How big is this order? Okay, it's enough for 4. Okay. Alright, I got you. I got you. Click. We gotta get right into it. We gotta make us a ratatouille. Alright, y'all. So I don't know how we gonna do this. I wanna know which place set this is. This is the pancakery. The pancakery of the fullertree. Fullertree. Pancakery. Alright. So we got this little doohickey thing, right? Now this only makes sprinkles, but I'm gonna need it to make some ratatouille. So let's see, what can we do here? So let's line this up. How much I want? Tell me when to stop. They be like, tell me when to stop. Oh my god. All right. Do it this way. Okay. Got the easy stuff up and out the way first. Okay. Got the breadsticks up out the way. Okay. Make sure these breadsticks look appetizing. Okay. Make sure they got the little rounded corners. Okay, because we big catering. Okay, we got the breadstick. Ooh, with the side salad. Okay, I'm going to show you what we had made today. But there we go. Breadsticks with the side salad is done. So for the ratatouille, I don't got enough plates. They only gave me 2 plates. They out of order. Y'all's out of order. I gotta make the ratatouille. Anyway, let's make the ratatouille like this. Alright. We're gonna make our ratatouille real quick. Put it in here. Okay. Make sure we got our ratatouille. Okay. Hello? They said what now? They said curbside pickup. What time they thing is then? They coming in 15 minutes? Okay. Alright, I got you. Alright, bye. Alright, y'all. These folk, they don't want to wait for their food. They said, I'm coming right now. Okay, we're going to have the ratatouille in 15 minutes. Come on. Alright, so let's finish this ratatouille. This a order for 4. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Now y'all see this our ratatouille for today. And now the thing is, I don't have red Play-Doh. So put our finishing touches on our ratatouille. Y'all, I do not have red Play-Doh. It's bothering me. I would have put some red sauce on there. But let's pretend this is red, okay? Y'all, time is running out. You only have so much time. We on Gordon Ramsay's. Time is running out. Alright. How much? Tell me how much. Oh, shit. Hold on. Okay. Dang. Okay, we got Olive Garden. Okay, they here for pickup. Okay, they here. Alright, they coming in through the door. What's your name? And you're here to pick up your ratatouille and breadsticks and side salad? I got you. Alright, now here it is. Now just tell me how much you want. Is that enough? Is that enough? That's enough cheese? Okay, good. So we made our most famous, I'll show y'all, breadsticks for the side salad. Breadsticks, gluten-free, baby. Gluten-free. And we got our most world famous ratatouille. Ratatouille.